I stopped at the change there. It's slow. Organizing the band, you rehearse with band. So that when you're performing, you'll be able to play your song.
And then you would have a full drum kit and...
Yeah. Jackson. Oh no, it's Michael Jackson.
Sleep. Hey, hola.
Eva.
Piano tones. In Arabic music, they often use quarter notes that go between, and at the end there, I hear that. I can't really describe it better. But you're stuck with the keyboards outside. Actually, without that, direct from the chorus to that bridge.
Okay,
that was my thought. What do you think?
Now reduce that volume. Now reduce that TV volume. Yes.
Where's the picture?
To be doing the right thing, why are you the perfect one? Who's the original now? Just turn the paper to the opposite side. Now you tell me who's sorry now. Give me hope, give me love, give me the light in the night. We are the ones to go on together. We are the cream of the everlasting love. For the world in a moment forever. Give me your heart in the middle of the night. We are the flash in the night.
Put a little bit of life. Punch, punch, punch.
Right.
Sing with punch.
Yeah, more punch.
Yeah, more punch.
Yeah. Tell me what you're thinking when the color is wrong. What is your claim to be doing the right thing? Will you the perfect one? Most original now. Just turn the paper to the opposite side. Now you tell me who's sorry now. Give me hope, give me love, give me the light in the night. We are the ones to go on together. We are the cream of the everlasting love. For the world in the moment forever. Give me your heart in the middle of the night. We are the flash in the night.
This one is good, but do it again.
Yeah, we do it again.
Why are you the perfect one? Who's the original now? Just turn the paper to the opposite side. Now you tell me who's sorry now. Give me hope, give me love, give me the light in the night. We are the ones to go on together. We are the cream of the everlasting love. For the world in a moment forever. Give me your heart in the middle of the night. We are the flash in the night.
The end sustains a little bit.
Pardon?
The end. It sustains a little bit.
Yeah. About 2 bars. So it sort of builds up the tension. Same thing here with the key. This used to be very high for me, and now that when I sing to this, it's perfect. It's
This one, yeah, this one is.
Yeah, it was a little bit too high
High.
when I was at home, but now it's perfect.
Well, this is your boy Steveslil, Steveslil. Y'all know I got you cafe. We're currently in the studio working on a very huge project. It's called Make Your Own. Paul Simon in Cameroon, the Myosic project. It's a very big one. Sweden meets Cameroon. A whole fusion of our musical genres with Swedish music. and we are hoping to have a very formidable result. I call it musical wizardry. So I'm right here with Henrick Hall, and he's the masterminder of the whole project. He is the one who wrote the songs. He's the lyricist of the songs, and he co-produces the songs because he's a master of his like instruments, guitar and all that. So it's we are working with the hope that everything is going to work out perfectly to suit the international market.
Not half as cool as Steveslil, but my name is Henrick Hall. I've been writing music all my life virtually and making small recordings at home, and just thought, what the hell, I got friends in Cameroon. Cameroon music is the best in the world. There must be possibilities to record here, and yes indeed there are. I'm just amazed at the professionality about it here, that once you sit down in front of the computer or the mixer table or anything, it's just 110% perfect. And what I was hoping for was that these professionals here would lift my songs to a new level, and we're not ready yet, but it looks very, very promising. It looks like at least 2 steps up. So this is an experience of a lifetime for me, and yeah, I'm very glad I did it.